Snow Moon Magic by Sorce Apothecary. The notes in this are lavender sugar, vanilla steamed milk, chai spices, tonka bean, cashmere and ambroxan, marshmallow, cookie butter, and Tahitian vanilla. Snow Moon Magic is a delightful and unique fragrance. The combination of warm, lightly spiced chai, fluffy marshmallow, Tahitian vanilla beans, and gooey butter cookies, adding hints of sweet lavender and creamy milkiness, bring in a soothing element, creating a cozy and comforting scent profile. Snow Moon Magic with these notes evoke a sense of warmth and nostalgia, reminiscent of cozy nights spent by the fire, wrapped in a blanket. The fluffy marshmallow adds a sweet, airy quality, while the Tahitian vanilla brings a rich, creamy depth. The gooey cookie butter provides that warm, spiced aroma that reminds me of freshly baked cookies, making it an irresistible fragrance with great longevity and projection, lasting 7+ hours. I rate Snow Moon Magic 10 out of 10 for being the most realistic, coziest marshmallow chai latte scent.